Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a self-care favourites video. I wanted to do this because I've been thinking about how important self-care is in lockdown, and since we've all been stuck inside for like 2 months now, it's so important to focus on yourself and your mental health, to keep positive and to stay happy, because everything is a bit crazy at the moment in the world and it's really difficult to stay positive in these times. So I wanted to do a video today that may inspire you to care a bit more for yourself and maybe just bring a bit more positivity. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe if you do. So the other day I was quite interested in what the definition of self-care actually was. What other things can you do that represent self-care? And I realised that there's actually a lot of other things that I do that are classified as self-care as well. This is from Psych Central. This is what I found the other day. It says, self-care is any activity that we do deliberately in order to take care of our mental, emotional and physical health. Although it's a simple concept in theory, it's something we very often overlook. Good self-care is key to improved mood and reduced anxiety. It's also key to a good relationship with oneself and others. So I think that's really important. I'm going to focus on that part that says it's to take care of our mental, emotional and physical health. So there are different kinds of self-care that you can use. So I've kind of put mine into categories of physical health and then mental and emotional health to organise what I'm going to be talking about today, and some of my favourite self-care things that I like to do to make myself feel better. So first, let's start with physical health. So one of my first favourites is a nice hair mask. So I got this hair mask the other day. This is the Garnier Ultimate Blends Nourishing Hair Food. This is the banana one. But this is great because this is a 3-in-1, so you can use it as a conditioner, you can use it as a hair mask on wet hair, or you can use it as a hair mask on dry hair, or you can also use it as, it says a leave-in, so I think that means like a hair cream. If you put like the tiniest bit and just put it on your ends, then your hair will be soft all day. So I love that because it can do all those things. I think most people will be able to relate because, you know, hairdressers haven't been open in so long, so we can't get haircuts. I do trim my own hair anyway, but I think this is really important to like make your hair feel super soft. And I learnt the other day something I didn't know before about hair, is that putting conditioner on wet hair actually doesn't do anything because it just slides off. Whereas if you put it on just slightly damp hair, so like squeeze your hair whilst you're in the shower and then put conditioner on, or put it on dry hair, it actually makes a huge difference. I was a bit skeptical that it would actually work, but my hair feels so much softer, and that's thanks to this as well, because this is just really nice. Another thing on the topic of hair care is this Parma's coconut oil conditioner. I know that it makes my hair just feel a lot softer, and I think it's to do with like the thickness and consistency of it. Focusing on things as simple as like your hair, it's so like therapeutic when you're just feeling a bit low about yourself or feeling just a bit down. I think if you feel good about yourself, that's the best way to feel good in general. My next physical health self-care favourite is the Origins face mask. I used one of these in my day in the life video. I use this Origins Drink Up 10-minute mask. I also have this little Mega Mushroom one. I have the Origins Clear Improvement, which is like a charcoal mask. I love these so much. This is like my favourite self-care thing. I just love having a mask and just relaxing, you know, after a stressful day. I usually do these on like a Friday and a Monday, so I do them twice a week. So I think these are perfect. Just any face mask in general. It's just really nice to just wear a face mask. For 10 minutes you're just relaxing and not thinking about anything else, and then your skin feels super soft, which is an added bonus as well. It's a good way to care for your physical health and your mental health as well. So the next thing I want to talk about is kind of a physical health thing, but also kind of leans towards the mental and emotional health category, and this is working out. So my favourite workout at the moment is Chloe Ting's Abs in 2 Weeks workout, I think that is. I just think it's a really nice way to just motivate yourself for the day. If you're just gonna do some like a quick 5-minute, 10-minute workout in the morning, it's a really good way to motivate yourself for the day, because if I don't do it in the morning, I do feel less motivated to do an essay or film a video or anything else. And obviously you get a physical benefit with that as well, and I think it is a really good form of self-care. I'm going to move on to mental and emotional health, and these are just really simple things that you can do in your day that will just make you feel a lot better. One of those things is drinking water. It sounds very simple, but drinking water can help your physical self, because it's a way to clear your skin and make you healthy, and also it can help your mental state, because especially with the hot weather at the moment as well, if I don't drink enough water in the day, I will get bad headaches, and that will just make me feel a bit gross for the rest of the day. Also, going for a walk, again, it's like a form of exercise, so it's a way to motivate you to do work and stuff, and you're then doing something with your day, and you're not going to go stir crazy staying in the house. Another thing I want to talk about that helps you sleep, it's kind of like a form of meditation. It's ASMR. So I love ASMR. I actually have an ASMR video on my channel. It seems like quite a crazy concept, but it's actually really relaxing, and it can really help you sleep. Anybody that's like me and has a messed up sleeping pattern at the moment, it may help you fall asleep and even just relax at night, because it's not just to fall asleep to, it can help you de-stress as well. Another one of my mental and emotional health favourites is herbal tea. Herbal tea is another way of increasing your water intake, and so drinking something like herbal tea instead of a cup of tea. I'm a Yorkshire girl, so I love Yorkshire tea, but just a herbal tea is a really good way of self-caring and caring from your inside out. So my last mental and emotional health favourites is, I like watching the TV programme This Country before bed. I think it's so important at the moment to have some like kind of comedy to watch, because if you're watching depressing things all the time, you're just going to feel the way you're making yourself feel. But if you're watching something funny in a comedy, it's just a really good way to cheer yourself up if you're having a low day, and again, it's another way to de-stress. But obviously there are other funny comedy TV programs or films that you can watch instead to de-stress and care for yourself. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I just wanted to point out like different ways that you can really care for yourself, and I hope this inspires you to do a bit of self-care for yourself, whether that's a face mask or just watching your favourite TV programme. I hope it just makes you feel better if you're feeling a bit low in lockdown or feeling anxious or stressed. I think it's really important at the moment to talk about self-care, which is why I wanted to film this video. So I really hope you've enjoyed, and if you have, please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.